Hey everybody, this is Wendy Sellers, the HR lady. So I've been getting this question a lot lately. Okay, Wendy, so we're getting the PPP money, the Payroll Protection Program money. Our bank said we'll have it on Monday, but we have no customers. No customers equals no work. What do I have my employees do? Sit home and get paid? Well, it all depends. If you're an essential employer, then your employees can travel to your workplace. Even if you don't have any work, there's a lot of things you can have them do. Inventory, cleaning, organizing, calling to check on customers, make training videos for new hires, team building, training. You know that thing that we never have time for? Training. Get creative. Put that money to good use. Do not let your employees sit home. Now, if you're a non-essential employer and your employees are not allowed to travel because of a government shutdown, then you're going to have to, unfortunately, wait it out until they are able to return back. And so during that time period, yes, they may be sitting at home, but maybe they can do something from home. Maybe they can do training, online training, Zoom-based training. Maybe they can do team building online, over the phone, via webcast. Make sure that you are giving them something to do, even if it's just to check in every day, so that money doesn't go to waste. We never have time for training. Well, guess what? Now is the time. Be creative.